Getting Puerto Rico back online. The Dig Once policy and real-time digital broadcasting with the Yamaha AG03. Coming up next, right here in the Markertek Minute. Welcome back. Let's take a look at this week's news. FCC Chairman Ajit Pai this week proposed to direct approximately $954 million towards restoring and expanding communications networks in Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands that were damaged and destroyed during the 2017 hurricane season. The plan would be funded by providing approximately $250 million in new funds, as well as repurposing universal service support currently directed to Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands. More information is available at fcc.gov. Over on Capitol Hill, the House this week passed the RAY BAUM'S Act with policy advancements for digital communications in the 21st century. As part of the bill, the Dig Once policy mandates the inclusion of broadband conduit during the construction of any road receiving federal funding, eliminating the need to dig up recently paved roads to expand broadband infrastructure to communities across the country. Learn more at congress.gov. It's time once again for the Markertek Product of the Week. The Yamaha AG03 3-channel mixer USB interface gives your online content high-resolution sound, either for real-time broadcast over digital streaming platforms or producing on-demand podcasts and videos. The AG03 elevates your production value with background music, sound effects, and a level of sound quality that can't be matched with a conventional computer headset configuration. The AG03 is in stock and shipping from us right now here at Markertek. That's all the time we have for you today. I'm Byron Frayne, and we'll see you the next time on the Markertek Minute.